Hello, my dear student. Welcome to my video again for Mathematics 30-1 Alberta model answers to sample questions. Today I am going to present you the answers for the sample questions for the next section, that is for the logarithm. In my last series of video, in my last 3 videos, I have presented sample questions and model answers for transformation section. That is for my first video number 1, 2 and 3. Today I am going to start the video number 1 for the section logarithms. Okay. There are about 18 multiple choice questions under logarithm assignments. I am going to start from the question number 1. Then when it is needed, I am going to explain a little bit more about the concepts of the logarithms and exponential functions. Okay, let's start with question number 1. The question number 1 says, that is a very basic question, which exponential function is increasing? They have given 4 exponential functions under option A, B, C and D. Question asks, which exponential function is increasing? Okay, what is exponential function? Exponential function is the function in the form of y is equal to c to the power of x. What is c? Here c is the element of R. C is the element of real number. Also c greater than 0. In order to define this exponential function, these conditions will satisfy. C can be any real number, but c should be greater than 0. Okay, how do you do the graph? There are 2 situations we need to consider to analyze the behavior of the function. When c is positive, or if actually c is always positive, if c is greater than 1, the function is behaving like this. This is origin, x-axis, y-axis. As s increases from negative infinity to positive infinity, y is increasing. But in the second situation, that means c lies between 0 and 1. That means if c is a fraction, I would explain the behavior in another diagram. That is like this. That means as s increases from negative infinity to positive infinity, y value is decreasing. We are not considering actually c is equal to 1. When c is equal to 1, the function is neither increasing nor decreasing. Function will look like perpetuating, but we don't consider the situation now. Okay, once again, this is the definition of the exponential function. Y equals e to the power of x. Always c should be positive. For this definition, c should be positive. But when we consider in the number line, once again, this is 0, this is 1. If c is greater than 1, this is a behavior of the function. Function is increasing. if C lies between 0 and 1, the function is decreasing. Okay. Out of this question, out of these options, which exponential function increasing? Let's examine about C value one by one. Option number A, the C value is 1/4. That means that belongs to this one. That doesn't work. Option number B, C value is 4/3 in the option number B. That is right. C is greater than 1. In the option number B, C has been greater than 1. That means the function with the option number B is the increasing function. The answer is B. The answer is B. Okay, that's right. Okay, let's look at the question number 2. Consider the exponential function y equal a to the power of x. Exponential function y equal a to the power of x. A is positive. Which of these statements is false? That means we need to discuss one by one. Option A, the graph has y-intercept 1. How do we find the y-intercept? In order to find the y-intercept, we have to input S equals 0. When we make S equals 0, we are getting y-intercept. That is y equal a to the power of 0, that is 1. Okay, y is equal to 1. When you substitute this, that is going to be a to the power of 0, that is 1. That means option A is right. Option B, the graph does not have x-intercept. Yes, that is also true. Because as I mentioned in the question number A, the graph does not have x-intercept. Yes. Either function is increasing or decreasing. Whatever the condition, the graph does not cut x-axis. That means x-axis is the asymptote. As the graph does not cut x-axis, the graph does not have an x-intercept. That is also true. That means option number A is right. Option number B also right. C, the function has a horizontal asymptote with equation y equal a. That is wrong. Because this is a horizontal asymptote. The horizontal asymptote of the function is x-axis, y equals 0. That means the option number C is wrong. Okay. Option number D. For our knowledge, we can discuss. The range of the function is y greater than 0. That is true, no? Y is always positive. That means all A, B, D are true. C is false. That means answer is C. Okay, now let's look at the question number 3. What the question number 3 says, determine the equation of the horizontal asymptote of the graph y minus k equal c a to the power d x minus k. A is positive, C and D are not equal to 0. These are the conditions. How this function look like? Actually, this came from this basic function, y equal a to the power of x. When you perform some kind of transformation, when you apply some kind of transformation, this function will become this one. That means this is the original function, this is the image function. What kind of transformation applied here? There is a C symbol. That means there should be a vertical stretch. There is a D in front of S term. Horizontal stretch applied. Also, horizontal translation also applies. There is a K here. When you move this to right side, there is a K here. Okay. Question asks, determine the equation of the horizontal asymptote. Okay, horizontal asymptote. If you sketch the graph, how it is look like? Okay, let's say this is the original function. If you assume C is positive, this is the original function. Original function is stay above the x-axis. Okay. Now there is a horizontal translation by k unit right. Then also actually the function will become look like this. When function is moving k unit right, just we can indicate something like here. K unit right, okay? But still the horizontal asymptote remains same. That means equation of the horizontal asymptote should be y equal 0, this x-axis. That is up to here. In addition to that, actually, there we have to go another step. K is here. That means we have to move the graph still k unit up. When the second graph is moving k unit up, this is the final graph. Okay, that means the horizontal asymptote will stay in this level. This level is, this distance is k. That means equation of this line is y is equal to k. That means the horizontal translation doesn't make sense to identify the asymptote, okay? That means equation of the horizontal asymptote is y is equal to k. Y is equal to k is answer D. Answer is D. Okay, let's go to question number 4. The range of the function is fx equal minus 8 log 5 10 s plus 8 plus 9. Okay, actually this graph starts from the basic logarithm function, that is y equal log 5x. By looking this, we are able to understand that the basic graph should be, we have to look at this log part, log 5. We have to take the same log base, log 5 with the basic symbol is x. This is the original function. What kind of transformation has been applied? Translate 8 unit left. Then vertical stretch by factor 8. Reflection about x-axis. Vertically translate by 9 unit up. Okay, let's start from the graph of the basic log function. The base function look like this. Y equal log 5s. Please remember this is not to scale, okay? I have drawn the shape of the function only. Y is equal to log 5x. Okay? Now, what are the properties of this? The range of this function is, actually range YR. Y is taking all real numbers. This range of this function is YER. After performing all this transformation, those transformation does not impact for this range, because simply actually this graph is reflect about x-axis. That means graph is flipping like this. Graph is moving 8 unit left. There is a stretch factor 8. Moving 9 unit up. That doesn't matter. Still actually the graph is behaving from negative infinity to positive infinity. Someday this goes to positive infinity. Although this graph cut my edge of the board, doesn't matter. It keeps increasing. Okay. Now this is the answer for the final graph also. The answer is YER. That means answer number is A. Answer number is A. Okay, dear students, so far we have completed first 4 questions. Let's move to question number 5. The question number 5 says, what the question number 5 says? If log8 x, doesn't matter, they can give the any base. If log8 x is equal to a, then log 2x, log base 2x, this is a question. This is A, we have to find this one. Actually, in order to proceed with this, how do you proceed with this? What is the base of this original equation? 8. Base of the function we are looking for, that is 2. Definitely actually, based on this information, it is obvious that base has been changed, change base. Now we have to apply change base rule. Log AB. Now in this expression, we are looking for logarithm of B with base A. If we change the base to any other symbol, it looks like this. Just put a line, write like this. No, I am telling you this is the way of remembering this, okay? Log AB, just put a line, put log B here, put the upper symbol here, put the lower symbol here. Then insert any symbol that you need, base C, base C. Okay, let's apply this formula here. Start from here. Now what base we have to relate? 8 and 2. Okay, let's change this to 2. Okay, Please look at this carefully. Now I am going to rearrange. I am going to rearrange this equation by applying this formula. By applying this change-based formula. Log AB equal log B log A, log B upon log A with base C. Now, what is this? Log X upon log 8. Then, immediate input the base 2, base 2. Okay, that is clear. Still, this is equal to A. Because I did not make any physical changes to left side. I have applied the correct equation for this one. I did not alter this value, remember. Because this is equal to this. Then still this everything is equal to A. Now we are looking for answer for this. We can say the answer for A if we are able to find this value. That is easy. Log 2/8, that is log base 2, instead of 8 you can write 2 to the power of 3. Actually, how do you find the log value? The meaning of log value means we have to decide to which power this should be raised to get this. Then we have to raise the 2 to the power of 3. Actually, this is obvious from here. Anybody who can read the numbers, they can provide the answer, okay? Which number you have to raise to 2 to get this one? This is 2 to the power of 3. The answer is 3. Answer for this one is 3. And let's go back to here. Log 2 x, this is 3, equal to A. Okay, now let's conclude the answer. This is equal to A. If you multiply both sides by 3, log 2s is equal to 3 times A. Answer is 3A. Okay? That means our answer number is option A. Answer number is option A. That is number 5. Okay, now let's move to question number 6. What the question number 6 says? The expression log base half x. They are telling the expression log base half x is equivalent to which one or more of the following expressions. They are given two expressions. Log 2 1 upon x. Other one is minus log 2x. Now we have to examine whether this function is equivalent to either this one or for both. Okay, now let's apply our principles. We can apply change-based formula. Log half x. Okay, now let's try to rearrange this. Let's try to rearrange this without writing basic formula. Okay, that means how do you rearrange? Put a line, put log, then put x here, put half here, then insert base. What base we need to insert? In the answer options, the bases are 2. Then let's input base 2. Base 2 here. Okay, now what's this value? Log 2x divided by What is this? This is equivalent to log 2. Now I am going to show you how to find this value. Log 2 1/2. Instead of 1/2, I can write 2 to the power of -1. That means the answer for this one is -1. Okay, that means this answer is -1. That means the final answer is minus log 2x. Okay. Once you apply our principle slowly by using these steps, we understand that this original function is equivalent to this. That means we have to accept this. This is right. What's the other one? In order to decide the other one, let's continue the same thing, okay? Still this is equal to minus log 2x. From the logarithm principles, from the logarithm rules, we know that whatever the base, log 1 upon a is equal to, what is that? You can apply log division formula. Log m upon n equal log m minus log n. That means this is equal to log 1 minus log n. Log C1 minus log Ca. What's this? Whatever the base, the log value of 1 is 0. This is 0. You remain with minus log Ca. Actually, just for explanation purpose, I wrote and explained everything. Then, instead of this one, that means instead of minus log a, you can rewrite that is as log 1 upon a. That means by using this, by reversing this, we are able to understand that this is equivalent to log 2 1 upon x. Okay, that is nice question. That means we started with this original function. After simplifying further, finally we saw that this is equal to this one also. That means this is also right. Okay, what's the answer? Which of one or more of the following is present? Of course, that means both are right. Both are right. The answer number is B, 1 and 2. Answer is B. Okay, let's try to finish the next question also. Question number 7. Question number 7. Write this exponential expression as a logarithmic expression. 3 to the power of 2 by 3 is equal to 9 cubic root of 9. This is a true expression. We don't have to examine. But if you want to expression, they are not giving the, they are not mad to give the wrong expression. This is equal to this. We don't have to investigate that, okay? Only thing is we need to convert this to logarithmic term. What is the definition? If y equal c to the power of x, then this is equivalent to log cy is equal to x. This is exponential form, this is a logarithm form. That means base of the exponent has become base of the logarithm. Okay? That means we rearrange this. What's the base? Okay, just to write this other way. In order to compare easily, I sweep this both sides. This is exponential function, the right side. The base of the exponential should become base of the logarithm. That means log 3, we have to write this as it is. Cube root 9 is equal to 2 by 3. That's all, okay? That's it. What's the correct answer? Correct answer is actually A. Answer is A. Okay, that is enough for video number 1 for the logarithm sample answers. Let's continue our other multiple choice question from next video. Thank you very much. See you again.